In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from one Google Drive account to another, a comprehensive guide for 2025. Let's begin this process by first signing into your old Google Drive account. Once you're in, take a moment to look through your files and identify those you'd like to transfer. It's best to start with selecting specific files or folders that are your priority. Consider this step as curating a list of your most important documents, ensuring that nothing important is left behind in the transition. Now, with your files selected, go ahead and right-click on them. When you do this, you'll see a menu pop up. From the options displayed, choose Share. This will open a dialog box where you'll be prompted to enter your new Google Drive email. Make sure to type in the correct address so that your files are sent to the right place. Setting the permissions correctly is crucial here. Next to where you've entered the email, you'll notice you need to select the level of access. Set this to Editor. By doing so, you give the new account full access to make changes to these files later if needed. Once everything looks good, click Send. This action initiates the sharing process, effectively transferring access to your files across accounts. With that done, we now move to your new Google Drive account. Log in using your new email information. You'll find the files you've just shared under Shared with Me. This part of the process involves making a copy of each file or folder. Simply select the files and choose to make a copy. This step creates a version in your own drive, effectively moving your documents over. It's a method that's elegantly simple and doesn't require the intervention of third-party applications, which is a definite advantage. Not only does this approach keep things streamlined, but it also ensures your data remains secure within Google's environment. However, do keep in mind that while this process is simple, it works best when dealing with smaller file batches. If you have larger folders or an extensive array of documents, bear in mind it might take longer to transfer everything due to the nature of copying digital files. By following these steps, you're able to seamlessly move your Google Drive contents from one account to another. It's a straightforward yet potent method for managing your digital files, keeping them organized and ensuring accessibility across different accounts. Thanks for joining me today in navigating this digital transfer process. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.